Dear children, today's topic is mass of the electron. Means today we are going to calculate the mass. So mass of the electron can be calculated very easily by the value of E over m, and E means charge to mass ratio of electron and charge of electron, because scientists knew the values of these two. Okay, so since E over m equals to 1.7588820 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram or coulomb gram inverse, this value comes from the Thomson's experiment. And E means charge of the electron is equals to 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This comes from the Millikan's experiment. So therefore the mass of an electron is given by m equals to E upon E over m. We can arrange this equation, and then m equals to 1.6 means value of E divided by value of E over m, and then we will get 9.1094 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, or 9.1094 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. So this is the mass of electron. Next topic is size of the electron. So size of the electron we can calculate by this equation, E square r upon mc square, where r is the radius of electron. Okay, so energy of an electron is approximately equals to E square r, we know this. And if we consider electron as a electromagnetic radiation, then this energy should be equal to the mc square. So E square upon r equals to mc square, we can write this equation. And from this equation r equals to E square upon mc square, and we know the values of E, m and c as E equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and in CGS its value is 4.774 into 10 to the power minus 10. M equals to 9.108 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, and E equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter per second. We are taking CGS units here. Okay, then R equals to 2.780 into 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter, or 2.780 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So this is the size of the electron. Next topic is definition of an electron. So an electron is a subatomic particle. As we know that an electron is a fundamental particle of atom, so we can use this word that an electron is a subatomic particle which bears a 1 unit negative charge. Why scientists used this word 1 unit charge? Because the value of a charge of electron is the smallest value known that time. So he used this value 1 unit charge, that is 1.6 into 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and has a mass of 9.108 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, that is 1 upon 1837th of the hydrogen atom. So this is the definition of electron.